So now is the point when I can introduce you to another one of the theorems that we learn in AP Calculus, which is the extreme value theorem, or EVT. I will be honest, the EVT in isolation is not used as often as the intermediate value theorem, nor another theorem that we're going to learn about later in this unit called the mean value theorem, and definitely not as often as the fundamental theorem of calculus. But it is used often as a supplement to help us decide a method for finding extrema, specifically absolute extrema. So the extreme value theorem says that if a function is continuous on a closed interval, then the function must have an absolute maximum and an absolute minimum. And so this means that anytime I have a closed interval, so if I'm saying from A to B, if I have a function that is continuous somewhere in this, or throughout that entire interval, there must be an absolute max and there must be an absolute min. And I can see in this sketch, here's the absolute max, and here's the absolute min. Now, the extreme value theorem doesn't tell us where they are, they just tell us they must exist. And that's actually a big help for us. We're not actually going to be asked to use this very often in isolation, but if we are asked to find absolute maxes and mins, this is a theorem that's nice in order for us to know, does there have to be one, or are they just maybe existing?